Amitabh Bachchan's movie Aakhir Rasta is a blockbuster movie starring Jayaprada, Anupam Kher, Sri Devi, and of course Big B in a double role. David, who married Jayaprada, he was falsely accused of raping her, and the culprits were three. One was an IPS officer, the other was the doctor, and the third one the political figure. And Sadashiv Amrapurkar was the one who actually raped Mary. She was a well educated, beautiful wife, but she chose to be with David because it was pure love, and she ran away even from her wedding venue when she was asked to exchange the ring because she was madly in love with him, and he was a very caring, gullible person, very good natured. Everyone used to love him dearly. So, what exactly happened? He was blind as far as Sadashiv Amrapurkar was concerned, but he was playing a game with him. He just used him for his own benefit and then put the blame on him, and he was the culprit, and he has to languish in jail for 24 long years. And then he swore that he will take revenge from all three of them. And the young son, he grew up to be a cop, and he was handed to Anupam Kher, Mahesh Chandliya, and Mahesh had promised David that he will turn him into a criminal as directed by David, so that he could avenge the deeds. But he instead put him in the police service, and he became a very hard-working, righteous cop. And when he comes out of jail, David, he took revenge from all three of them, and that was the most meticulous one. But one thing I would like to stress upon, he, like Sadashiv, had already come to know about two murders, doctor and the cop, and the third was him. So he told that now he's going back to US, and then David told him that he has made a bullet-proof jacket. But Sadashiv said that if he shoots me on the head, if this feeling was already there, they could have done could have given protection for the head as well, some kind of helmet, so that if he was shot, he would not have died. I'm just giving, this is not that I wanted to save him. I'm just telling the director that these sentences could have been omitted. But of the songs, they're awesome songs, and he actually took revenge, and the movie deserves more than 5 stars.